class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
Hello, Greyhounds class of 2020. Dr. Flugum here with a big thank you and a quick message. Remember that these last few weeks of your senior year are not what define your school career. All your learning, the friends that you've made, the teachers who've influenced you and that you've influenced are what have prepared you for success. We've been blessed to be a part of that journey with you. You are what make Pope High School great, and our teachers are very proud. Our staff is very proud, and I know your parents are too. You should be proud of yourself for everything you've achieved. Now it's time for you to take that next step in your journey. We know you'll succeed because of everything you've already achieved. You are Pope High School. Fear not, press on, and continue to inspire.
Allen C. Pope High School is such an incredible community. It really is. The staff just want to see you succeed. The students are all so welcoming, and it doesn't matter what you're into, a club, a sport, an art, all three, you name it, you'll find it. Another thing that's just incredible about Pope is the atmosphere and the community, and that, it's a school, academics are at the top of the priority list, but everyone there, teachers, staff, students, understands the importance not only of a GPA, but also of being a well-rounded individual and taking courses that you want to take versus courses that will give you that college credit, and just really making the most out of your 4 years of high school.
Looking back on my 4 years at Pope High School, I wouldn't be able to pick a favorite memory. I've had so many good ones, with walking into Apes freshman year and seeing all the seniors tower over me, to being able to learn how to cook in that incredible kitchen, to even just a few months ago getting to take a picture with the Miss Cobb County at the Panache pageant. But I've had so many good memories that I don't think a single memory stands out for me.
Pope High School has always been more than just a place for learning. It's a community. Faculty express genuine care for each and every student who comes into their classroom, whether in person or virtually, and for that I am very thankful. Most recently, this was shown through the staff waking up early to deliver signs to every graduating senior of the class of 2020. That does not sound appealing to me at all, but the Pope teachers and administrators always prioritize bringing happiness to their students. The class of 2020 has obviously encountered some unforeseen obstacles, but our class now has a story. We made history, we persevered, we adapted, and we have even thrived. We thank our Pope family for supporting us and launching us into our next chapter. Go Hounds!